Good afternoon and welcome to our last Partnerships for Innovation webinar. My name is Jesus Soriano and I am joined by Dr. Katie Bradley. Both of us, we are the program directors in the NSF Partnerships for Innovation program. Today we will have around 5 minutes of introduction and start with Q&A very quickly. Because of the large amount of questions that we normally receive, this time we have limited questions to one per person. After you ask your question, if you have another one, it may have been responded or answered to when we address questions by the audience, but you can also get into the line as well. We have a hard stop at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so during these 90 minutes we'll do our best to address all your questions. As you know, the deadline is August 5th, and there are important resources that we encourage you to consult. Obviously, the solicitation, it is very detailed. It contains all the information you basically need in order to submit a proposal. You should also visit our website, nsf.gov/PFI. It contains a digest of the requirements and goals of the program. In that website, you will find as well frequently asked questions, a previous recording of our webinar, and as well the slides. You can always reach us, Katie Bradley or Jesus Soriano at pfi@nsf.gov, and later on we'll give you also our emails. We encourage you to apply or submit your proposal through research.gov instead of Fastlane. Both systems are welcome. You're welcome to use both, but we are encouraging the use of research.gov. As you know, NSF is engaged in a multi-year effort to modernize the Fastlane system. Once you sign in into research.gov, you will have as well instructions how to prepare and submit proposals, and including a video on how to do that. One additional note, although the Partnerships for Innovation program is all about collaboration and partnerships, we do not accept collaborative proposals. What does it mean? Well, a collaborative proposal is, or collaborative proposals are simultaneous proposals submitted for a joint project by different institutions. For technical reasons, what we require is one single proposal, even if it is submitted on behalf of several institutions. That proposal will contain sub-awards to each one of the partners. If you submit collaborative proposals, we will return them without review, and we'll ask you to resubmit a single proposal. The PFI program is one of a series of programs that the National Science Foundation offers to the public in order to move outputs of research towards the marketplace through technology development, commercialization, entrepreneurial education, etc. I will not go through all these programs, but I encourage you to visit our website, the Division of Industrial Innovation Partnerships. You see the link at the bottom of the page, and become familiar with all these programs. The final slide that I would like to show before we start the Q&A is to let you know that the Partnerships for Innovation program responds to a Congressional Mandate under the American Innovation and Competitiveness Act of 2017. Under that mandate, we must accelerate the translation of research results to societal impact, promote sustainable university-based innovation ecosystems, train faculty and students in technology innovation, and engage women and other underrepresented groups in innovation and entrepreneurship. You may know already by now that there are two tracks in the PFI program, but it is the same program. The first type of grant, called PFI PT for technology translation, are grants for $250,000 that can be executed over 18 to 24 months, and basically the applicant team chooses the duration. These are for applied research towards proof of concept. It is a concept of a product or service. It's not proof of principle. We want to make it clear that the PFI program does not fund fundamental research. Basically, it is a program that allows you to bring the outputs of fundamental research towards the marketplace. The second type of grant, called PFI RP, or research partnerships, the grants are larger, for $550,000, and they can be executed over 36 months, but not less than that. The goals are the same: applied research towards proof of concept, the demonstration of commercial potential, but there's a big difference. These proposals have to be multidisciplinary and multi-organizational, meaning to say more than one institution has to participate in the team. And as a requirement of that multi-organizational nature, an industrial partner is required. Industrial partners are encouraged but not required in the PFI-TT grant. Here on this image on the right, you see this little sketch, and it shows the elements of a PFI proposal: innovation, partnerships, applied research, technology development, grant participation, and entrepreneurial education. These elements respond to the Congressional Mandate and inform the sections of the proposal in the project description, which is the bulk or the most important section of our proposal.